Hello dear students, welcome to the class on antifungal drugs. In this class, let us discuss about other antifungal drugs, especially the topical antifungal drugs. So we have Tolnafate, so mainly used for dermatophytic infections. They are effective drug for the treatment of tinea cruris, which is also called as jock itch, and also in the treatment of tinea corporis, which involves arms and legs, and most of the cases will respond within 1 to 3 weeks. Because of their poor penetrability, it is less effective against the treatment of tinea pedis and other hyperkeratinized lesions. Though they are effective against tinea cruris and tinea corporis, they are ineffective against tinea capitis, which involves scalp region, and tinea unguium, which involves the nails. And symptomatic relief occurs very early, but if applications are discontinued before the fungus bearing tissue is shed off, the relapse will be common. And it causes little irritation, and it is inferior in efficacy to imidazoles. Not effective as such in the treatment of candidiasis and other superficial mycosis. So coming to the second drug, cyclopirox, Olamin, which is also used for dermatophytic infection topically. There are the newer drugs which are effective against tinea infections, pityriasis versicolor, dermal candidiasis, and it has got high cure rate because it penetrates the superficial layer very effectively and reaches the hair roots in high concentration, and systemic concentration is very negligible. Local tolerance is very good because it doesn't cause any irritation at the site of application. Sensitization occurs very rarely, and they are formulated as nail lacquer, that is, it can be painted like nail polish. So although it is used in onychomycosis, but cure rates are low. It can be used as 1% cyclopirox vaginal cream in the treatment of vaginal candidiasis. So coming to the butanofin, which is also a topical antifungal agent. It is a benzylamine congener of terbinafine. It is used only topically in dermatophytosis. Efficacy in the treatment of tinea cruris, corporis, pedis is similar to that of topical terbinafine. Coming to the anticyclinic acid, so it is used topically in the treatment of dermatophytic infections. Basically, it is fungistatic in nature, used topically in combination with zinc salt. So basically they are used in combination with zinc salt. It is inferior to other drugs as an antifungal agent. Cure rates are very low even following prolonged treatment, but still they are used in the treatment of tinea pedis, nappy rashes and tinea cruris. And infrequently it can cause irritation as well as sensitization. So coming to the benzoic acid, which is very important. So it has got weak antifungal as well as antibacterial property, especially in the slightly acidic medium. Eradication of fungus needs prolonged application of benzoic acid till the infected keratin is totally shed off. On hyperkeratotic lesions, they are used in combination with salicylic acid. So when they are used in combination with salicylic acid, they are called as Whitefield ointment, which is made up of benzoic acid 5% or 6% plus salicylic acid 3%. Salicylic acid, why we are adding to this benzoic acid? The reason being, salicylic acid is a keratolytic agent. So because of its keratolytic action, it removes the infected tissues, and also it promotes the penetration of benzoic acid into the lesion. Because of these two reasons, salicylic acid added to the benzoic acid in hyperkeratotic lesions. and rarely it can cause irritation as well as burning sensation because of their keratolytic activity. Thank you.